All right, guys, my name is Cassie. I'm live today at the Urban Farming Institute. I'm going to be giving you guys a recipe from our CSA share box. So we're going to be going over the green arugula gazpacho. Just a little bit about myself. I'm a student at Nova studying nutrition, and I'm here this semester studying with John at the Urban Farming Institute, learning all about fresh produce, different ways to prepare them, as well as grow them. A very important thing about plants is they contain something called phytonutrients, which help the plants fight off pests and other animals that might want them. Now, phytonutrients are not essential for us as humans, but they do have a lot of benefits. They can help repair your cells, they have anti-inflammatory processes, and they can also boost the immune system. Another thing that plants, fresh produce are rich in is vitamins and minerals. So these are actually small nutrients that our body does need in trace amounts to function optimally. So because there's been a decrease in how many fruits and vegetables everybody's been eating, or some of the conventional farming has lowered the amount of nutrients in our fruits and vegetables, it makes getting those essential vitamins and minerals in your body a little bit tricky. So this is one of the huge benefits about purchasing fresh produce from your local farm or a place like here in Oakland Park at the Urban Farming Institute. Suboptimal consumption of vitamins and minerals can leave you feeling fatigue. You could be more prone to cold and sickness, and your body doesn't function optimally, which can also put you at risk for other diseases. So the first thing we're going to do is prep all our ingredients for the gazpacho. So we have some cucumbers, arugula fresh from our garden, as well as other herbs such as cilantro, basil, and parsley. So the first thing I want to do to make the gazpacho is chop up my cucumber. So cucumbers are really great for hydration because they're filled with water. They also have a lot of fiber in them, which can help us keep regular. And it's very important too because fiber can help lower blood sugar. And also it's great just to get in your body because it's insoluble and it can bind to other toxins as well. The next we have is arugula. So this is also picked fresh from our garden. So arugula is really high in calcium, which as we know is very healthy for our bones as well as our teeth. It can also help with fluid balance, which can improve blood pressure, and it can also help your nerves and muscles function optimally. The other herb that we're going to put, or spice, in our gazpacho is going to be garlic. So garlic has a nice component called allicin in it. Allicin is an antibacterial properties, so this can help lessen the severity or the symptoms of the cold or flu. Now, one thing that's important, in order to get those benefits, you must use it raw. So once you cook it, it doesn't have the same benefits anymore, but it's still a great herb or spice to use. So after we've chopped all our ingredients, we're going to put it in a blender. We're going to add 2/3 cup of water, and then we're going to blend it slowly. Sometimes you have to shake it up, or you can use your spatula to push things down the side. And then when things don't blend, just push them down a little bit. So this is a very So after we've pureed our vegetables, we're going to add a little bit of vinegar. And then we are going to slowly add our olive oil. So it should come out a nice light green color. So what I would suggest is blend it for a few seconds. And then add a little bit more of olive oil. And then if you want, you can also add salt and pepper to taste. So once you've blended all your ingredients, you can transfer it to a bowl, and then you want to place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, up to 12 hours, so it gets nice and cold. So over here we have some that's already cold. And then you can serve by placing it in a cup or a bowl. And then we like to top them with nasturtium flowers, which have a nice peppery taste. as well as a nasturtium lily pad. So just like this, a great recipe to serve on a hot day.